What is going on, guys? We're back at Jesus's. It's the next day. We got to fill up the coolant and install the new power steering kit from Hybrid Racing, so let's get to it.
Yeah, the wheel bearing and all that stuff.
Yeah, so we could drive it.
Never forget when the wheel came with only 3 studs and one of them's welded on, so we had to get a brand new hub. Ooh, look at this high quality steel braided hose from Hybrid Racing. Big shout out to Hybrid Racing. About to install this kit, man. All the AN fittings is nice. I hope the power steering works because, all the parts are new except for the rack. So the rack's the existing part, and I hope it works. Damn, hooked us up with the Hybrid Racing stickers too, and more lines. And they even included a little intercooler for the power steering, so on track days, your fluid doesn't boil. Dude, that's not going anywhere.
That's a lot more secure than that.
Hey, well, hey, come on, hey, my overflow tank's pretty secure, man. I'm not held up on the track, so But yeah, this one's that's in there. Jesus is doing the tuck method. We're getting this shit super clean.
Medium rare or medium well?
Medium. I like my stuff like medium well. Right, Ethan's now putting on the fitting onto the actual rack itself. As we got all the power steering hose fitted in. This is to the cooler. The cooler's to the reservoir. Then we have the PTFE line right here. Goes
to the pump.
High pressure to the pump right there. And that's all hooked in. All right, guys, final step. Gotta add in the power steering fluid. I thought it was supposed to be .3, and then I checked myself because I'm hungry and dumb. And it's actually supposed to be power steering fluid in the power steering reservoir. Can I start it? That's it right, Ethan?
Yep. Lock the lock.
Hi guys, we're now at Jesus's again, and damn, the whole ass hub is off. We got to take off the axle too, because now we got to go down to 32mm axle. But yeah, this ball joint, that's also done for. These studs also done. This one's actually tack welded, so that's why we're replacing the entire hub. So guys, we were testing the car, letting it idle, and I smelled some fuel. There's just a lake. Yeah, all that's just fuel. Gotta go get gas now.
Too much. It's kind of a jank setup.
This?
Yeah.
Why? It's okay. I think it's good. I don't think it's that bad. Just because we're using the wrong fuel pump doesn't mean it's bad. It doesn't mean it's jank. It's just, it needed a little work.
The 4 hose clamps when there should be 2.
Yeah, I mean, it may have leaked out all of our fuel, but hey, you know what? It works now, and that's all that matters. Oh my God, bro! Jesus got a whole farm back here. He's got a bunch of cocks back here.
The wheel bearing's still good. Look at that.
Hey, we got a new wheel bearing though, so it's okay. Yeah, don't weld your studs, guys, or else you're gonna have to replace the entire hub. And yeah, just don't weld your wheel studs.
There.
Oh, so these are supposed to be together.
Yeah.
But they separated.
Yeah.
Good thing we're getting a new wheel bearing. We're now taking off the shock fork, take off the axle. So this is the old 36mm axle. We need to put the new 32mm axle in because we're using the new OEM Integra 32mm hubs. It's like a plunger. All right, guys, we've just crossed a new milestone in the car. We have all 16 studs. We finally have 4 studs on the front right. The car is actually safe to drive now, because we have the proper amount of wheel studs. Before I didn't have that, so this is very new to me. Yeah, so the brakes aren't going on. Some idiot decided to jump in the car and test the new no ABS and stepped on the brakes, pumped them a couple times. I don't know who would do that.
Wasn't that you?
Oh my God. All right, guys, so we're underneath the car and Jesus notices that I'm literally missing a whole ass subframe bolt right there. Previous owner, I guess, it didn't come with the car. He said, I'm gonna sell you the shell without a subframe bolt, which is very, 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 very important, because if your subframe falls out, then it's bad.
Oh, power steering works.
Really?
Yeah, really well.
Oh, let's go. All right, guys, whoa, dude, the power steering works. Whoa, dude. It's so weird. It's not
this thing again.
It's not blown up. Oh, VTEC! Sorry. Let me warm up. What are we at?
160.
160.
It's a little low still.
Yeah, the gauge's a little low. Oh yeah, the alignment's for show off.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's pulling, bro. But the power, dude, is weird.
Is it change the car?
Yes. Let me drive it hella sophisticated and shit right now. Yup, it's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. This is a lot. Is the guy just honk at me? I'm testing out my new power steering, bro. Hybrid racing. Oh, this is so cool, bro. I can actually street drive this car now.
It feels good.
Yeah, it feels really good. All right, guys, we're just gonna do a little pull, see if it, works. Oh!
Wow.
It feels stock power. I gotta say, I think the Link is tuned to have more power. This is a base tune right now. So it's not gonna be quite as fast as the Link. Guys, I'm currently in the passenger seat. Ethan's about to rip it. We have it monitored on the Link right now.
Ready?
I think so. Oh! Oh! VTEC just kicked in, bro!
Oh my god. Do a first gear pull.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh! Oh! Holy Jesus Christ!
The alignment is awful.
I know, but VTEC just kicked in, bro.
It's so fun.
Dude, it's pretty quick. Oh my god, that crossover is so aggressive.
Also, look, the alignment's messed up, so
Oh.
fixed.
I think it pulls though. It's pulling.
It pulls.
Right?
It
Yeah,
pulls left for sure.
Oh my god, it's so much fun.
That crossover?
We're back, bro. We're back, bro. Oh my god. There you go, man. Thank you. Thank you so much, man. This head gasket job. Hey, this one's gonna last longer than 4 days, bro. Last day is 4 days. Longer than 4 days. All right, guys. Thanks to Jesus. Got the car back up and running, man. So excited to take it home. Ethan's about to drive the Matrix. Hopefully he can get a little B-roll. I won't take off too hard, but yeah, dude, this thing, big shout out, man. This is like...
You don't want that 2ZZ.
Hey, bro, matters I'm running, bro. I don't know. This thing's awesome. No, I'm so happy. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna drive the ever living shit out of this car.
Freaking on-limiter.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's currently nighttime. I just want to give a quick shout out to Hybrid Racing for sending me this power steering kit. Super awesome. I love it so much. It's a very simple system. Took us all only 1 hour. Me, Ethan, and Jesus installed it. Yeah, all in under an hour. It's a very simple system. It's just basically a 3-unit system. So it's the pump, the rack, the reservoir, and the cooler. I guess technically it's a four-unit system, but all the hoses, clamps, everything comes in the kit. It's only like $200, so if you guys want one for yourself, it really changes the car, how it feels. It's totally streetable now. I hated driving this thing on the street without power steering, but now that I have it, it's super awesome. It's such a cheap like upgrade, honestly, and super high quality from Hybrid Racing. So really did change the game. Having power steering now over no power steering, it's just, yeah, like I said, it's day and night. So if you guys want to get it for yourself, for your K-swaps, I highly suggest you check out their website and order it directly from them. Don't go to any like third-party sites just to avoid any like warranty issues or things like that. Hybrid Racing's got your back. So I'll put the link to their website in the description down below. Yo, what is going on, guys? Made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. As you guys saw, the Integra's finally back. I'm so happy. Big shout out to Jesus and Ethan for helping me put it back together. It's fully refreshed, and now it's finally safe. So before I was running around on 3 out of the 4 wheel studs because the previous owner for some reason tack welded it, and he also used an aftermarket hub, a 36mm hub, the wrong one, not for the Integra. I don't know why. I think he was smoking crack or something like that. Probably something along those lines. I mean, I don't know. He's from Chico. Anyways, yeah, got the new wheel stud on, or the wheel studs on with the new hub and a new ball joint. So I finally feel safe to finally like rip it around. Feels so much better. Also got the ARP head studs. Big shout out to ARP for helping me out with the build as well. So no more OEM Honda head studs. We got the new ARP head studs. So very, very excited. Also got the new OEM Honda gasket on there too, head gasket. So hopefully won't be blowing any more head gaskets, knock on wood. But yeah, the car, it feels just night and day also with the new power steering kit. So very, very happy with the car. Yo, we also have the new hoodies still available in stock. You guys can cop them. Link in the description down below. newhasheria.jp. I swear to God, every single sale, all the support, I see it and I really appreciate it. Helps rebuild the motors. Literally, all my motors would not be rebuilt right now. Like all my cars would still be on jack stands had you guys not been supporting with, you know, all the awesome like merch sales, everything like that. All the motors have been rebuilt. So I really do appreciate it. And I promise, all these next sales will now be going towards the aesthetics of the car. I know a lot of people comment, man, your cars are beat. I know they're beat. I just been focusing on the mechanical aspect of the cars first before I touch the exterior. So I have a lot of plans. I want to do some PDR in the Integra, get a Type R wing, maybe get a Type R front end. I also want to do like side skirts and real GTR OEM wing on the 32. I also want to repaint the FD. So I have a lot of plans for this next upcoming couple of months. So stay tuned. And once again, guys, I appreciate all the video like views on the videos, and also, yeah, once again, all the sales, you know, all the merch support. So appreciate it, and love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.